1.25 inch line, like good heck, a giant mess. Vacuuming out this valve to shut it off.
Sun crawls up slow through the canyon haze. Cold steel waiting where the frost still lays. Boot in the gravel, coffee in hand. First cut of morning in stubborn land. Bucket swings low like an old church bell. Echo through hollows where the coyotes yell. Some men pray and some men wait. Some men dig through dirt and slate.
There's a white truck parked by the cedar line, painted letters worn by time. John Ray Excavation on the door in red, where the hard ground breaks and the pipe runs fit.
Hey, it's Skylar again, John Ray Excavation. This job's a water line replacement. We're doing it in Hyrum, Utah. But it still hisses and it slows down when we're... So it's more so when it's on, but then a little bit less when it's off. Okay. Oh, you got this all dug up?
Out directly,
Oh, it's open. Oh, you need to open
I
that
have
one.
to use that.
Yeah, let's just...
I had to take that off because
Yeah, that's good.
I need to make hand for it.
Yeah, it's best not to mess with those when they don't have a handle on them.
The pipe comes right along under the edge, and I'm not sure exactly where it starts. I've never dug this part up. Either that or it's leaking away all the water now.
Which it would take a minute to run dry, but let's see if it keeps going. I mean, if it stays like that, that could be that hissing sound. But it's just kind of still running though, huh?
It's a pretty long run of pipe.
If it gains pressure, then we know that it's the valve. Back at it again. Is it gonna stop?
It's gonna tease us.
Yeah, stop for a second, then start up again. Jeez, drip, drip, drip. Stop, start again.
That's
It's
weird.
bizarre, huh? Must be fluctuating, trying to go back and forth. Maybe it's good now. Okay, it looks like it's definitely off now, so it's definitely not leaking past that valve. It's fairly straightforward. There's no utilities to cross other than a sprinkler line. Let me get this. So here's the meter. The city asked us to replace this setter for them, which is fine. I'll have it all dug up and ready anyways. And it's on a Saturday, so they couldn't really help me. So that's fine. But the water line runs this way. This orange line, he's painted as his steel galvanized sprinkler line, which is pretty rare. But we're going to go, it actually goes right to this faucet here, which is kind of in line with this sprinkler line and everything else. So we're going to come on an angle over to here and pass that stuff and then go over to the meter. There is a sprinkler line right here. There's two that are very shallow, and then there's one that's deep that's PVC 1.25 inch line. Like good heck, I really don't want to hit that. So he's working on vacuuming out this valve to shut it off in case I do hit it, because that'll be a giant mess if we hit that thing. So hopefully we can get that sucked out and get it ready. But yeah, hopefully everything goes great and we don't hit anything or break anything. We can only hope. Anyway, stay tuned. Okay, got this water line all finished. I left it kind of high. The customer's gonna settle that trench with water and it should be good. Anyway, thanks for watching.